So, good morning. In the series of achieving sustainable development goals and going to moon, Mars, and beyond, we were discussing about the safety first. It was demanded by few seniors that you should run this campaign and then you should go ahead. So, we discussed 12 plus 13, 25 languages earlier. Now, we are going to see it in another a couple of dozens more languages. We promised 42 languages, but we can do it in more languages. So next is Nepali language. सुरक्षा पहिलो शून्य दुर्घटना बराबर हो means safety first gives you zero accidents. Okay, now next one. So it is a Latin language. Primum salus nil accidentabus staculis. Okay, next language is it's Corsican language. Safety first. Uguale a zero incidenti. Okay, it's a Malay language. Kasalamatan, Deutamakan, Adalasama, Dengan Sifar, Kalamagan. So safety first can bring zero accidents. That is the translation. 99% it is correct. I lived there so I can understand. Okay. In Portuguese, segurança em primeiro lugar é igual a zero accidentes. Means we can avoid the accidents if we take safety as your primary target in life. Segurança em primeiro lugar é igual a zero accidentes. In Norwegian language, one of my teacher who taught me VC++ used to live in Norway, and he taught me some of the basics. So in Norwegian language, safety first er lik nul uliker. Once we had a machine from Finland. In fact, even railways also a lot of Finnish machines are there. So something was written there. So me and my father, we started searching some words, and we came to understand some of the fundamentals of Finnish language. So in Finnish language, safety first can bring you zero accidents, can be translated as turvallisuus ennen kaikkea on after kyun nolla taptarapa. Okay, so it is 90% correct, not even 99%. Turvallisuus ennen kaikkea on after kyun nolla tapturma. I hope it is correct. If something is wrong, please correct me. Okay, next one. This is a message to the all, I mean, in working in the factories, even in Turkey, for example. Safety first can bring zero accidents. So unji güvenlik sıfır kaçaya eşittir. That's the message. In Luxembourgish language, they say that safety first is equal to zero accidents. Now, how safety first as gleich when null accidental? Simple. So, in Iran, how they say? A lot of Persian people speak Persian. So, they say, Bada biroba safar tasadufit sat safiti. Means, safety first will bring you zero accidents. Okay. So in Punjabi, one in five almost people in the automobile industry were definitely Punjabi. So during engineering itself, graduation itself, we had to learn a lot of Punjabi things. And this was the first thing. In fact, I spoke in front of people, 6 feet 5 inch tall and all this. They used to lift me like this, my classmates. Yeah, I was just 5 and 4.5 inch tall. I mean, so, and they were at least 1 foot taller than me. So then once a person came and he had to literally do like this and come inside my home. My mother saw him, so he touched feet of my mother. Then he left me. Will in fact, literally shown my mother how they lift me in the class like this. Peow. So at that time I spoke these words. सेफ्टी फर्स्ट जीरो हाथ से एंदे बराबर है मीन्स if you want to commit zero accidents and then safety first. Okay, so safety first at zero हाथ से एंदे बराबर है. He was very happy. In Javanese language, it can be said safety first padha karo nul kachilaka. Safety first gives you zero accidents. Okay, then one of the most spoken language near Bihar and near Jharkhand and all these places is in fact it is India's one of the major language, top 10 language you can say, is Bhojpuri language. In this, safety first shunya durghatna ke barabar ba, it is what it is said. You can bring zero accidents with safety first. Safety first and then zero accidents. Okay, what a fantastic the way it has been related. You see, every language, that is why every language has something good in it. In Hausa language, Hausa language, safety fa ko dai dai yek hadsarori, it is known as. If you want to bring zero accidents, then safety first. In fact, they translate it as like safety first equals zero accidents. Safety fa ko dai dai yek da hadsarori. Okay. In one of the plant, I was working with one company, and they established one plant in Vietnam, 1996-97. So at that time, I wanted to suggest something that can be spoken in Vietnamese, for example. So as you know, as being a R&D and quality engineer, my job was to provide a valuable sentence. So I provided this sentence. Anton Tautin Bang Kong Tainan means Suraksha Pahle Shunya Durghatna, means safety first and zero accidents. My boss was very happy. From where did you learn? I said, each word I had to translate and get it done. So I also felt something, wow, thank you very much. I said, then you gave me a chance, I said to my boss. And that is why I had to search it through very many sources, and then I could translate it. Okay. A few of our machines were from Sweden, and once one of my teacher was translating, the VC++, the teaching material in Danish, Swedish, and Finnish languages. So at that time I came to know about all these. It is in the year 1999-2000. I was busy with writing so many books on these software languages, for example, including OOAD, C, C++, VC++, VB6 recently came. Then all those. I was busy in that. So one of my senior, he was translating so many things, and he was developing a software for their navy. So he didn't tell me what kind of, in fact, definitely the code is according in the sense the software it is there, because it is a security matter. But at the same time, he said that you, while speaking safety first and all these things, they have to, this is common everywhere. And I liked his, code of ethics. Whosoever I met, they had code of ethics. They behave with values. So then I asked him, सर, सुरक्षा पहले कैसे शून्य दुर्घटनाओं के बराबर है? इफ आई वांट टू ट्रांसलेट दिस, आई मीन सेफ्टी फर्स्ट, यू गेट जीरो एक्सीडेंट्स. So he was, I think, from Bhilai. So he told me that safety first, our leak may null ulikor. And then I came to know about the first time I came to know about Swedish language. So there is always a story behind why you learn languages and how you come to know about different cultures and systems working over there. How, in fact, in Sweden, Finland, Norway, all these Latvia and all these places, so much cold is there, even in Siberia in Russia, and still they are able to do R&D and develop so many very good machines. We were so proud of human beings as a human beings. Yes, we can achieve so much great. So that is the campaign. Safety first is equal to zero accident. And I can tell you proudly that yes, human beings are the most responsible beings if they take care of environment on Mother Earth, and if they can move to Mars, Moon, Mars and beyond. So let us start somewhere, so that we can achieve sustainable development goals. And wherever we go, we take safety first norms over there, and make every species living over there, or evolved over there, generated over there, or taken from here, or brought from somewhere else. There are many places where the civilizations and developed civilizations could be and can be and are been there. In fact, in the 11th chapter of Gita, it is claimed that there are many places, multiple civilizations are there, in fact, in our galaxies, and multiple and infinite galaxies. So we have to start somewhere, so that we reach at Kardashev level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we become the human beings living on multiple places, experiencing the God everywhere, experiencing the superhuman qualities everywhere. And as I said, that I can see God everywhere. The super conscious God is everywhere. It is indivisible. It is in every place. It is on places, in places, beyond your imagination, comparison or thinking, imagination, and all these places. Okay, so let us achieve sustainable development goals, and let us go to Moon, Mars and beyond with safety first is equal to zero accident approach. Thank you very much. So in the next video, we'll see with some other languages as well. Thank you.